Welcome to the third edition of 10 Powerful Tips to Think Better. Today's tip is to engage in intellectual exploration and lifelong learning. Thinking better requires a constant pursuit of knowledge and a willingness to explore new ideas. Don't limit yourself to your comfort zone or your existing knowledge base. Instead, embrace intellectual exploration and lifelong learning. Here are some ways to achieve this. Read widely. Expand your horizons by reading books, articles, and blogs on a variety of topics, including those outside the areas that you know well. Take online courses. Online learning platforms offer a wealth of courses on diverse subjects, from history and philosophy to science and technology. Soon, we will have courses available at explorebigideas.com. Attend lectures and workshops. Seek out opportunities to learn from experts in various fields. Colleges and universities often have free lectures open to the public. Increasingly, music and concert venues now host lectures as well, though these usually require paid tickets. Engage in thoughtful conversations. Discuss ideas with friends, colleagues, or family members and be open to hearing different perspectives. Travel and explore new cultures. Exposure to different cultures and perspectives can broaden your understanding of the world and challenge your assumptions. So, the third powerful tip to think better is to engage in intellectual exploration and lifelong learning. And we have given you 5 things you can do to work on this tip. Read widely. Take online courses. Attend lectures and workshops. Engage in thoughtful conversations. Travel and explore new cultures. By continuously expanding your knowledge base and exploring new ideas, you stimulate your brain and develop a more nuanced and sophisticated way of thinking. Well, see you next time for our 4th powerful tip to think better.